Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Next case is cause number 332374. And I have before me Ashley Diane Nelson. Ms. Nelson, is that your full name?
Yes, correct.
Ms. Nelson, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Nelson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Nelson, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Nelson?
Good, thank you.
Okay. Now, Ms. Nelson, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Marcus Wilkerson. Attorney Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
State is represented by Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Wilkerson, the court has scheduled a informal inquiry pursuant to Article 46B.004 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Now, Mr. Wilkerson, the proceedings and trials in all courts shall be public pursuant to Article 1.24 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. However, pursuant to Lilly versus State Southwest 3rd, Lilly versus State 365 Southwest 3rd, 321, the right to a public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing rights and interests, such as interest in security, preventing disclosure of non-public information, or ensuring that a defendant receive a fair trial. Mr. Wilkerson, will you be seeking the closure of this hearing?
Yes, Your Honor, we are seeking that it be foreclosed from the public based on medical information.
Okay, and the court finds that the parties seeking to close the hearing have advanced an overriding interest that is likely to be prejudiced to defendant in that it will disclose non-public information. The closure is no broader than necessary to protect the defendant's interests, and the court have considered other reasonable alternatives to closing the proceeding. And the court makes these findings, and these findings are adequate to support the closure. So at this time,